and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in today's video I am gonna sprinkle some fall decor in my room and my son's room. If you haven't done so yet, before we start, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I upload on Thursday and Sunday. While you're subscribing, make sure you give me a thumbs up and introduce yourself and let me know which is your favorite season of all.
Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.
My favorite season is Christmas, and actually I was born on Christmas Day on the 25th, and I like to start decorating very early. Fall is not so much my decorating season, but I did sprinkle some fall decor in my room as well as my son's room and a little bit of sprinkle in the guest bathroom. This is a vase from the Dollar Tree that I've been having. I added cotton balls and I bought this cotton stem at the Dollar Tree for now $1.25, and I actually think it looks so cute.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
Oh my goodness, these macaroons were divine. As soon as I finished cleaning my room and I started cleaning my son's room, I kept coming back to my room and I devoured all the macaroons. And I really don't prefer sweets over salty food, but I'm telling you, they were divine. I am very excited that you're here today because you will have a chance by leaving a comment down below to enter my giveaway. I believe that the greatest legacy you could pass on to your children is your home education, and I'm here to aid you. I have invested and paid for this curriculum, which is a curriculum that was put by two wonderful educators. And I am just gonna let Kate do the explanation of what this is and the value that this curriculum will bring to your home.
Home is a sacred place. It is where people are invited, warmly welcomed, tenderly nurtured and loved. Strangers become family around the dinner table. Children are taught life's most important lessons in the home, and parents model a loving relationship. Together, we've created a 35-week curriculum designed to instill the sacredness of home in every heart. It aids in building genuine community where you live, cultivates virtues in your children, and focuses on a healthy home foundation. This is not a curriculum full of worksheets and busy work. This teaches life skills that will grow and develop as your child ages. It provides structured activities with room for flexibility where you need it. Get ready. This curriculum is available now worldwide. You can purchase it on our website, homeineveryheart.com, and it is able to be purchased anywhere around the world because it is a downloadable PDF, and you will have the full curriculum at your fingertips.
Here in my son's room, we are gonna sprinkle just a bit of fall because he has a dog, and all of a sudden she gotten really old, and the vet says that she is partially blind, and she's also has arthritis, which is now we put this little bench for her to climb up the bed. So what I'm adding, it's a little blanket for her to lay down because she loves laying down by his feet. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this room, and just tidying it up. I also bought two pillowcases, two silk pillowcases, because I can actually braid hair, and my son decided to take out his braids and he started dreadlocks, and this is best for his hair right now. And Actually, I noticed that a lot of people that had COVID have lost a lot of hair, and I'm gonna give you a tip. The silk pillowcases is the best investment you could do for hair growth and to protect your hair at night. Also, what we're gonna be doing in this room, I am going to take out my son's old hangers, and I purchased new hangers, and I rearranged his clothes by the rainbow, which is from the Home Edit. Not sure if you have watched that on Netflix, but it's basically you sort out your clothes, you organize your clothes by color, not by textures or by seasons. You put all the same colors like a rainbow, and that's what we're gonna be doing here. Friends, this is it for today. I have more decorating, and I'm actually editing the next video, so make sure you stay tuned. And until next time, make sure you take a deep breath and look around as the leaf starts changing colors. Have an amazing week. See you soon.